So this next pots and pan set is from SODAY. So with this in particular, it does have a few more pieces, but again, keep in mind with all the pots and pans or detachable pots and pan sets that I've gone over, they all have like different combinations. You can get like a 3-piece or a 5-piece or a 12-piece. So this one in particular, it has a lot more pieces to it. Like you have like 2 different detachable handles. And even so, as far as using this goes, you simply just lock it here, twist it, and then it holds on to the pot just like that. What I like about this here is that it's actually got a 2 lock security mechanism, in which if you go ahead and lock it by accident, it's actually still going to hold on to the pot. Okay, it's a little loose, but it still holds on to the pot. So I do really like that 2-step added security measure to make sure that this actually stays on and you don't fall, or the pot and pan doesn't fall down and actually accidentally detach. Now, as far as fully detaching it goes, you have to press this button here, and then it's fully going to detach from the pot or pan. So it really feels secure. I really love the 2-step mechanism that they got going on from SODAY. So this is what it looks like, and you can see all the different components and pieces here. So you got a multi-use cover included here with it. As far as using it goes, feels very sturdy. Again, it's like it's a little loose, but again, it's that 2-step security mechanism, and if you press it again, it's going to fully unlock. So a lot of variety of different pieces included here. You've got some basically different size pots and pans. You've got the cover. You've also got like these plastic covers, which can be used to actually cover kind of just like that, all right? So multi-use covers over here as well. Let's say like you're done eating or something and you just want to cover it really quickly, but don't want to use this cover. I personally find this quite useful. I noticed that the pots themselves, they actually do have like some spouts for actually pouring at the end as well. Not the pans though, the pans don't keep that separate. And it also includes like this felt pad as well. So when placing hot things down, you could actually place the felt pad there, and it works perfectly just fine. And so this one in particular, I'm actually quite pleased with, as far as like, again, don't be kind of swayed by the number of pieces here. All the pots and pan sets that I've gone over, they do have different options for different piece sets, but this one in particular, I just happen to have the most number of pieces attached to it with. If you ever need to actually hold 2 hands to a pot or pan set, let's say it's pretty heavy, you could actually have like 2 ways to actually hold it. So that's pretty neat in that sense, as far as having 2 detachable handles goes. So very, very pleased with this overall.